Rangers and Lyon kicked off their UEFA Europa League round of 16 ties with solid victories on the road, while Manchester United and Tottenham Hotspur have work to do following their away fixtures. Captain Mikel Oyarzabal's 70th minute penalty fetched a draw for Real Sociedad against Manchester United. The visitors went ahead in the 57th minute through Joshua Zirkzee's first-time strike from the edge of the box. An 18th minute own goal from Lucas Bergwall gave AS Alkmaar a narrow advantage, the ball looping into the net of the Swedish midfielder after Troy Parrott volleyed a Pierre Koopmeiners corner back across goal. Wilson Odobert almost headed a last-gasp equalizer, but his effort flew over. Rangers stunned Fenerbahce 3-1. Cyril Dessers gave Rangers an early lead, but Alexander Djaku hooked in a fine equalizer for Fenerbahce. Vaclav Sani struck on the break with half-time approaching. Fenerbahce gambled in the second half, bringing on extra attackers, but Dessers had two efforts on the counter ruled out for offside before Sani raced on to Nicolas Raskin's ball to extend Rangers' lead in the 82nd minute. Malik Fofana's late double in Bucharest put the French team firmly in control of the tie against FCSB. Nicolas Tagliafico nodded the visitors ahead on 30 minutes. But substitute Alexandru Baluta drilled in FCSB's equalizer in the second half. But the League One side raised their game late on, Ryan Cherki setting up Fofana to score twice in the space of 5 minutes. Roa sealed a dramatic comeback to beat Athletic 2-1. Roma fell behind soon after the break when Inaki Williams nodded in from close range. Angelino swept in the equalizer 6 minutes later. Athletic's Yere Alvarez received a second booking. Eldar Shomurodov sealed a dramatic comeback win with a sweet curling strike on the turn. Gustav Isaksen's breathtaking 98th minute strike handed 9-man Lazio victory in Czechia. Alessio Romagnoli headed the visitors in front from close range as they dominated the opening half. Rafiu Durosinmi connected with Lucas Kalvach's pinpoint free kick to equalize. The visitors seemed resigned to a draw after Nicolo Rovella and Samuel Gigot were shown red cards, but Isaksen's magical long-range finish proved Lazio's class at the last.